Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how we use water and Vaseline to coil my hair, to define my coil. So now my hair is very dry, yeah, so I have to use water to make it damp. Excuse me, yeah, to make it feel damp and seal it up with the oil, because you know Vaseline is greasy. Yeah, so you have to make your hair wet a little bit, not really like too wet that water will be dripping out. No, don't do it that way. So I have to section my hair. You know, my hair is not so long, it's like I think about 3 or doubt if it's up to 4 inches. Yeah, so I have to section my hair into 5 parts. Then I have to start with the first part of my front hair, then I have to start coiling it. Actually, I did the finger twist and the finger coil. Yeah, the finger coil method was what I did. Yeah, because that was exactly what I know will work for me based on the product I applied on my hair. Yeah, I don't want to do a more complicated because if I do the twist out, it may not work out because I'll need to make it dry properly before I take down the twist. So this finger coil is perfect if you're going to be using this Vaseline to define your coils. Yeah, so and also the reason why I also did the finger coil is to make the base of my hair well defined. So I can as well do the comb and wash and go method, or comb and just let the coil define by itself, but the base will not be well defined, so the base is going to look like different, going astray different ways and all the stuff. Yeah, so you can see my hair is a taper cut hair, and this is how I want to wear my hair. I don't want to grow my hair in everywhere, and I intend growing my hair to like 15 inches. So when it gets to 15 inches, I'm going to maintain that length. I will not let it grow more than that because I don't want so much hair like what I used to have before. So I have to dry it, but not so dry. Remember, this is a greasy product, and if you over dry it, it's gonna mess up your face. So guys, this is the end result. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.